Are you a teacher looking to make a career switch? Have you considered a transition to instructional design? Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll take you through the topic from teaching to instructional design, how to make the career switch. Let's begin. If you're a teacher looking to make a career switch to instructional design, there are several steps you can take to develop the skills, create a strong resume and CV, build your network, and gain experience in freelance projects or developing your own content. As a teacher, you may already have some of the skills required for instructional design, such as the ability to plan and deliver effective lessons. However, there are additional skills you'll need to develop to be successful in this field. Some ways to develop these skills include taking courses. Many universities, community colleges, and online learning platforms offer courses in instructional design. Look for courses that cover topics such as adult learning theories, instructional design models, and multimedia design. Attending workshops or conferences. Attending workshops and conferences can be a great way to learn about new instructional design techniques and network with professionals in the field. Look for events hosted by professional organizations such as the Association for Talent Development or the e-Learning Guild. Pursuing a degree. If you're looking to make a more significant investment in your education, you may want to consider pursuing a degree in instructional design or a related field, such as educational technology or curriculum and instruction. Once you've developed the necessary skills, it's important to showcase them on your resume and CV. Here are some tips for creating a strong document. Emphasize your instructional design experience. Even if you haven't worked as an instructional designer before, you may have experience creating instructional materials as a teacher. Be sure to highlight this experience on your resume and CV. Use industry-specific keywords. When describing your experience and skills, use keywords that are common in the instructional design industry. This will help your document get noticed by hiring managers and automated resume screening software. Include examples of your work. If you've developed instructional materials, include examples of these on your resume or CV. For example, you could include a link to a video you created or a project summary that describes an instructional unit you developed. Networking is important in any career, and instructional design is no exception. Here are some tips for building your network. Attend industry events. Look for events such as conferences, meetups, and workshops that are focused on instructional design. These events are a great opportunity to learn about new trends and techniques and to meet other professionals in the field. Join professional organizations. Joining a professional organization such as the Association for Talent Development or the e-Learning Guild can give you access to networking events, webinars, and other resources. Connect with instructional designers on social media. LinkedIn is a great platform for connecting with other professionals in your field. Look for instructional designers in your area or who work in industries that interest you and send them a message introducing yourself. Gaining experience in instructional design can be challenging if you don't have a job in the field. However, there are still ways to build your portfolio and gain experience. Here are some ideas. Offer your services as a freelancer. There are many companies and individuals who need instructional design services but may not have the resources to hire a full-time employee. Consider offering your services as a freelancer to build your portfolio and gain experience. Develop your own content. If you have a topic that you're passionate about, consider developing your own instructional materials. You could create an online course, instructional videos, or a blog that teaches others about the topic. This can be a great way to showcase your skills and build your portfolio. In conclusion, transitioning from teaching to instructional design requires a combination of skills development, resume and CV building, networking, and gaining experience through freelance projects or developing your own content. While this transition may seem daunting at first, taking these steps can help you successfully make the switch to a fulfilling career in instructional design. By investing in your education, building your network, and gaining experience, you can position yourself for success and open new opportunities for growth and development. Remember to be persistent and proactive in pursuing your goals, and don't hesitate to reach out to others for support and guidance along the way. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.